old friend of yours, bro?
Friend? Oh boy.
Everything good?
Yeah. Everything alright.
Well, little brother, it was nice linking up with you. We have to make sure that way.
Hi again.
Hello. It's nice to see you again. Very pleasant to see you again.
Meeting for a second time at a different location. What should I call this?
Well, maybe one of us is a stalker.
Are you calling me a stalker, minister?
Marcus. And please, I am not suggesting that you're a stalker of any kind at all. Oh, pardon my manners, Candice. This is my brother.
Carlton. I'm familiar. Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
For the record, your short stint in politics was very effective, especially how you handled the maroon issue.
Why, thank you. I'm glad at least one person can appreciate that and think so.
I'm sure it's much more than one.
Anyway, Candice, is this where you come to eat often?
Not really. I mostly do takeouts here.
Oh, so this is a grab and go situation? Are you alone?
Yes, it's grab and go, and yes, I'm alone.
So what happens now? Do we continue to meet like this, like cloak and dagger? Or when are we going to realize that this was fate?
Mr. Wallace,
Take care.
Marcus,
Bye, Candice.
it's Candy.
Carlton, food is the start of life. So, who was that?
A young lady I met at one of my regular watering holes the other day. Okay, it's very obvious that you like her. What you talk about? Like, the second time this may meet her, I wouldn't say like her like that yet. If this at the second time and you behave like a 16-year-old schoolboy, would like to see the fourth and fifth. Oh my God. Left me, man. That's what I like telling nothing, you know. Anyway, me go leave. All the best with your new project. When she got.
Alright, Magnus. Take time. Careful of the wet dreams.